Vive Haiti! Vive Haiti! Go Haiti in the World Cup! This is a great year. It is great to be with you. Bonsoir. Good afternoon. Good It is great to be here with Brucey Louis Jean. Thank you for bringing us together here. It is great to be here with your father from Marie. Where is your father? I think he's rooting for Haiti and the United States in the World Cup. He has split allegiances, understandably, in this proud year. And I had visited Marie. I went to Marie right after the hurricane. And I went there on a relief mission, and I could see still there the cholera, which had been introduced by the United Nations in 2010. I could see they're still suffering from what the United Nations did, and when I came back, I organized to force the United Nations to apologize to Haiti for what happened healthcare system, and Haiti still deserves reparations from the United Nations for what was introduced.
Thank you.
It is so great to be here with our great Mayor Wu. Great job every single day for the people here in the city of Boston. And Lucy's story is the story of all of you. And Boston is lucky to have her. Boston is lucky to have Mayor